Vivo V40 Pro and Vivo V40 have been launched in India as the latest additions to the V series smartphones. The price of the Vivo V40 Pro has been set at $49,999, while the Vivo V40 is priced at $34,999. Both phones feature a sleek glass build. The Vivo V40 Pro is available in Gangi blue and titanium gray, while the Vivo V40 comes in Lotus purple, Gangi blue, and titanium gray. Let's talk about the Vivo V40 Pro first. It boasts a powerful camera setup, a 50-megapixel Sony IMX 921 main sensor with Optical Image Stabilization, OIS, a 50-megapixel Sony IMX 816 telephoto shooter with up to 2x optical zoom, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The front camera is also a 50-megapixel sensor, equipped with Z-optics for stunning selfies. The Vivo V40 Pro features a stunning 6.78-inch 1.5K curved AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling. It also has an IP68 rated build, making it resistant to dust and water. Under the hood, the Vivo V40 Pro is powered by the Dimensity 9200 Plus SoC. It runs on FunTouch OS 14 with Android 14, offering a seamless user experience. The phone packs a 5,500 mAh battery with support for 80 watts fast charging, so you'll be powered up in no time. Now, let's move on to the Vivo V40. This model is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chip and comes with up to 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage. Like its Pro sibling, it runs FunTouch OS 14 with Android 14. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.